In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change font style in Figma. We'll walk through this using a simple design file, but you can follow along with any Figma file you already have open. The goal is to help you quickly find where typography settings live in the interface, and confidently switch your fonts to match your design style. First, make sure you have your Figma design open in the editor. Look toward the upper right area of the screen where the design settings and properties are displayed. This is usually where you see details like position, size, and styling options for whatever object you have selected. You'll want to click on the section that shows the design properties. If nothing is appearing there, click on a text layer on your canvas first, so Figma knows which element you want to edit. Once your text layer is selected and the properties panel is visible, locate the typography section. This is where all text-related settings are grouped together. You should see options such as font family, font weight, size, line height, and letter spacing. For now, we're only focusing on changing the font style, but it helps to know that any text adjustments you make will usually happen in this same area. Inside the typography section, find the field that displays the current font name. It might say something like a common system or Google font, depending on what was used previously. Click directly on that existing font style name. This will open a drop-down or a font picker, showing you a list of available fonts you can choose from. When the list opens, you can either scroll through the fonts or use the search bar at the top to quickly find a specific one by name. As you hover or select different fonts, Figma will update the selected text so you can see how each font looks in context. Take a moment to compare a few options and think about readability, brand consistency, and the overall tone you want your design to have. Once you've found a font that suits your design, click on it to select it. That confirms your choice and applies the new font style to the text layer you had selected. If you have multiple text layers that should share the same style, you can select them all and repeat the same process, so everything stays consistent. And that's it. By clicking on your design's properties, heading into the typography section, opening the existing font name, and selecting a new option, you've successfully changed the font style in Figma.